Hello and welcome to this new video on how to see history in Google Translate. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser. After so it's in the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type Google Translate and press enter, and the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Google Translate. Just click on it, and now the Google Translate will be opened right in front of the screen. So in order to see the history, in the bottom there are two icons. As you can see, there is text also. First on the left side it is history and on the right side is saved, and in order to see the history you just have to click on the history icon, and on the right side a sidebar will appear where you will be able to see all the history of the Google Translate that you have done previously. So this is how you can easily see history in Google Translate. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.